Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use SSG, which is Stylesheet Generation. This is an online CSS generator for visual designing style sheets directly on your browser and without a need of external CSS editors. The idea behind SSG is to save time while designers edit their own style sheets. We all know the procedure to start a browser, start CSS editor, open Stylesheet, edit Stylesheet, go back to the browser, refresh it, and then back to the editor. All these steps take plenty of time, and we cannot concentrate ourselves on the actual work and the precision that designers need by choosing the right color or the right dimensions. So all we need to start designing our templates is a powerful browser such as Firefox or Google Chrome and some knowledge about CSS. So first we go to this URL here, is ssg.havealike.com. We see this window here. We have three different windows at the beginning. So I'll explain what this is all about. So at the beginning we have here the data. This window is a welcome to the SSG, and you can skip this data, and if you just note some important information, you can click here to see the saved data. So we need this window. Just leave it open, and you can close it if you just hold the right corner and do it on this side. So just leave it and we come back to this window again. So I would like to explain what is the tag selector. Here we can assign a name for our project. So it's important to assign a name. If we didn't assign a name, so everything goes, it doesn't save in the database. So if you just want to experiment how SSG works, you don't need to assign a name. So when SSG starts, it loads the template which have the most used HTML tags. We can see the template here or the layout here, and it has every tag or most used tags. So H1, H2, paragraphs, and list, number list, and all forms, text area, inputs, pre-tags, and how the comments look like. So we have some different layouts. So if we just remove this layout and double click or press the down arrow, we have 4 different layouts at the beginning. Later we'll put more than 4, but at the beginning you can choose one of them and press refresh project to see how this layout look like. So all layouts are basically designed, but without the colors and so on. So just do layout here, and you see the list appears directly. So I just choose the first one. I'll leave this one here. The tag selector here, we can, if we remove the body and click the down arrow, so we'll see all tags, HTML tags we need. So we can select one of them, or just type the name, the body, and it appears alone. So we can click return, enter, press enter, and you will have it here. The second one, these are IDs and classes elements, depend on this layout. So they are all in this layout, hidden in this layout. So you can choose one of them or just leave empty to edit your tag. The pseudo is a pseudo elements such as Hoover, link, visited, focus, and so on. So we don't need that for now. So this is the first explanation about this window. So we don't need it. We put the window here. We go to the second window. The second window is a CSS designer. So here you can make your changes for the specific or the chosen tag or the element. We'll do that right now. We can, for example, if we are selecting the body, so we can change the background color. We choose the background here, and we can choose the color here. So we can put the gray color. To see it before clicking OK, just make it focus or blur. So just select any color and you'll see changes by the way. So select this, we check cancel and click inside and it goes back. Okay. So you see here there's nothing is saved yet. So we would like to do something, just experience. We have my side project as a name. You can have any image from the web. If you just search in Google for backgrounds or wallpapers, whatever. There are a lot of free images that you can use directly just to test your layout before downloading them. And you can just select any one of them. For example, I have this one here. It just I don't want to have it myself, just to let you see how it works. So I copy the URL and put it in the image here for the background and click down. So you can see the image is as a background color. At the same time, the data is saved. So the body has a background image with a URL inside it. So it's saved. That's very good. So I can change here the font. For example, the font color is white. Okay. So you see every change you made, it will be saved here in the data. So I can put the family is Arial, and the size I can choose 14px. So if you assign not from the from selection, if you assign the size by yourself. So for example, here you have to assign also if it's a px or em or whatever you want. So I'll put 13px. There's something between 12 and 14. I'll click outside and you see the changes goes here. This is about designing, but now we want to explain further about the status bar here. So we see here the coordinations of our mouse. This is very important to just, if you want to know the width or height of some elements or the positioning top or left. So you can use this. And the second one inside here is whenever the mouse goes, it shows the tag name. So you see it here. If I go to H6 or I go here, is an anchor with a ID name called sidebar links. If I go to this one, it's an image. It's a tag image. So if I go here, let's say it's a paragraph and so on. So this is very important. And if I want to select one of them, I just double click this tag like this, and it goes to the tag selector here. So you see it H2. If I click the image, it goes image. If I click this one, it goes in anchor, and the CSS is selected. So I'll click outside here, and it says it's the body what you clicked. So I can change the body and so on. So I go further with designing. just to show you what else you can do. I choose the anchor because I don't like these underline anchors, so I go to A, selected nodes, the A selected, and go to font, say decoration, none. So no decoration. Let's see the data saved here. A has a text decoration, none. So if I have these data here and I want to edit one of them, I just click it here and it goes to the text selector again, or just A just goes here. So now I would like to edit the UL tags. So I just type UL, and because I don't like these squares and so on, if I'm doing a menu, so I go to the list here and choose a type. It's none, so all this goes away from here. I go to the box, and in the box I can change the margin or the padding. For example, the padding of all sides is 0px. Click outside, you see it here, it goes to 0px, but I want only the left side goes a little bit further to the right, so I say left padding goes to 16px. So I just click and see it goes a little bit. So I watch my data here, I have the UL, I have the body and A now. So you can do a lot more than that, of course, and almost any styling you like. You can just change this one, have your banner, for example, the banner is one here. If you go with the mouse here, you see down div banner with the ID banner. So I just call the banner, and I want to click only this tag, which is a small. So I just type small. The banner small should be in italic style. So I go to the font, and the style, font style, I choose italic. So it goes like this. Or the H1 in the banner, I just call the H1, and I choose here the variation of this small caps, for example, and I have my small caps. I can change the size of it, 24, or you can change the color of it, should be yellow, and so on. So everything is changed, and when you are finished and you are satisfied with your template, you can download the whole CSS from here. Just click it, and when it appears, shows you the first part is the layout part. The original layout part goes to here, end of layout, and the second part here is what you have done in SSG. So that's it. I hope you like it, and wish you a lot of fun. So bye bye.